Hi, my name is Chris Dowdy with OrangeStar Networks, and I'm here to explain to you how to fix your laptop screen. If you're having trouble viewing your laptop screen or it's become very dim, there's a few settings you can check to ensure that it's at its complete brightness. The first thing you'll want to do is look for a function key on the keyboard. There'll be two keys, an up arrow and a down arrow with an icon or symbol that looks something like a light bulb or a sun. You'll want to use the function key and the up arrow at the same time to adjust the laptop brightness to its maximum. If it's still too dim, then the second place you can look is on your desktop screen. Right-click in an open space and open your control display properties. Then choose Settings and the Advanced tab. Under this tab, you'll find a color management setting. This will allow you to adjust the contrast and brightness to its maximum or to a level that helps you see the screen better. If the screen is still dim, then it's possible your laptop has entered a power saving mode if your battery is very low. If that's the case, plug in your external power supply and the brightness should reappear on its own. My name is Chris Dowdy with OrangeStar Networks, and that's how you fix your laptop screen.